So if you just seen my previous video, I just harvested this lavender from this bush right here. I have this huge bouquet and I have some smaller ones as well. So if you just harvested your lavender, now you're like, well, how do I use this and what do I do, or how do I dry it out? It's very, very simple. So what you want to do is you want to bundle these up. So I'd get like a twine or something that you feel comfortable wrapping around, but not too tightly, but bundling them together. The goal is to then hang them upside down in a dry, kind of dark, cool location. You're going to dry them and hang them out for about a week to 2 weeks for them to dry out. You don't want them exposed to direct sunlight. The goal is to get them dry so that you can use them in your home for all different kinds of purposes, but you don't want them to get moldy and wet. So that's the purpose of drying them out. Once they're completely dry, what you would do is you would kind of take each of them and you kind of get the little buds off. I don't know if you could see, I'm trying to get it here. I'm a little bit out of focus here. There we go. So see all these little buds, you just like kind of gently pop them off, and then you can put them in little sachet bags or little cups or vases or whatever you'd like, and use them around your home as potpourri. You can use them for aromatherapy. Like, I like to keep them on our nightstands. It helps a lot with sleep and relaxation. But yeah, drying lavender does not have to be tricky. It does not have to be confusing. All you have to do is you harvest, dry it in a cool, dark place for about a week to 2, and then you can take the buds off and enjoy. Hope that helps, and if you like more easy gardening tips, please make sure to follow and subscribe.